So this question is from CAT 23 slot 1 QA, and we did not attempt it during our mock. So if you haven't seen the mock, you can have a look at the mock. We have given live mocks of slot 1 and slot 2. It is uploaded on the channel. So we did not solve it, but now we will try to solve it and see what the difficulty level is, and had we solved it during the mock, how much time would have it taken. So let's see. Let alpha and beta be two distinct roots of the equation 2x square. This is square. Because I copy it, it comes in the subscript. So 2x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0, such that alpha plus beta and alpha beta are the distinct roots of this particular equation. This is again x square. X square plus px plus p is equal to 0. Then the value of 8k minus p is what? Right. So from what I understand, we can find alpha and beta because of this equation, and then I think we can also find p, and then we'll see if we can find k, right? So from the first equation, 2x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0, right? We have alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so minus of minus 6 by 2, which would be 3, and alpha beta would be c by a, which is k by 2. Right now we have this, correct? Apart from this, do we have anything? No. Okay. Uh, Now let's look at the another equation, the second equation. X square plus px plus p is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta and alpha beta are the distinct roots of this particular equation. So let's assume this is no, we cannot take p because we already have p. Let's assume this is a. Let's just assume it's alpha plus beta and alpha beta, and we'll try to solve it, right? So the sum of two roots, alpha plus alpha beta, would be what? It will be minus p by 1, right? And alpha plus beta we know is 3, and alpha beta is k plus 2. So this equation, I am just writing it here, 3 plus k by 2 is equal to minus p. This is one equation that we have. Next, in this equation, uh, the multiplication of roots, alpha plus beta into alpha beta, is equal to c by a, which is p, right? Now again I'm writing it here in this terms. Alpha plus beta is 3, alpha beta is k by 2, so 3 into k by 2 is equal to p. Now we have two equations, two variables. Can we solve it? Let's see. So k is 2 by 3p basically, right? So I am putting this in this equation. I'll get 3 plus 2 by 3 into 2p is equal to minus p. So 3 plus, I can just cancel this, p by 3 is equal to minus p, and I'll put it here, 4 by 3p is equal to minus 3, because this will go there. So p would be equal to minus 9 by 4. So now we have p. P is equal to minus 9 by 4. Also we have this particular equation, which is 3k by 2 is equal to p. So now p is equal to minus 9 by 4, and so we can calculate k. K is what? 2 by 3 of p, or 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 4. This is 3, this is 2, so k is minus 3 by 2, correct? K is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we have to find 8 into k minus p. So 8 into minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4. So this is, if you add this, this is minus 6 by 4. So it's 8 into 3 by 4, or 6. So our answer is 6. Because it was a theta question, our answer would have been 6. Now I found it to be easy. There were just some equations that were to be solved. But during the mock, I just didn't solve it just because it had two different equations and the roots were there. So I was not very sure if this question would turn out to be easy. But as we saw it, it turned out to be easy. So it only comes with practice, right? So the more you practice, the more sense you will get that whether or not to attempt this particular question in a mock, right? Thank you.